This is the Silva Inc. manual coffee or spice grinder, and it already comes put together, but essentially it comes apart like this. And step one is to put the beans. It comes with a scoop, so you can just scoop your beans out of the bag. Okay, I did about 4 scoops. And you put the top back on, and then you fit the grind lever, and then you just turn. When you're grinding, you can always adjust the grind by clockwise is for a finer grind, and then counterclockwise is for a coarser grind. Okay, the grind I'm going to show you is the coarse grind. So that is a coarse grind. Now a fine grind, I'll just tighten it up. This will be a fine grind. And they've given you a brush to clean it. So basically after you use it, you just kind of take this paintbrush almost and sweep out your grinds.